talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dragon Mail app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Dragon Mail app, or just click on search. Then here add Dragon, add here Dragon Mail. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK here. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.